Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple animation in Krita using a basic bouncing ball example. First, create a new Krita document. After creating a new file, switch to the animation workspace. Click the workspace selector in the top right and choose animation so the timeline appears at the bottom. In case you don't see the animation timeline or onion skin, just go to settings, then dockers to enable them. Now let's create frames. In the timeline, right-click on the first frame box and choose Create Blank Frame. Draw your ball near the top of the canvas. Then right-click that frame again, choose Keyframes and select Insert Keyframe Right. On this new frame, draw the ball slightly lower and stretch vertically to maintain its volume for the falling motion. Repeat this process to move the ball down frame by frame. When the ball hits the ground, draw it slightly squashed to show impact. Squash and stretch is a core animation principle used to show weight and force. After impact, create more keyframes and draw the ball stretching upward as it bounces back up. To preview your animation, use the play controls above the timeline. Keep adjusting your drawings and adding in between frames until the bounce feels smooth. And that's how you make an animation in Krita. Thanks for watching.